Indiana limestone from quarry to job site installation. In this video, we will show block extraction, fabrication, and ultimately job site installation of Indiana limestone hand-set facade cladding. First, let's take a look at the anatomy of the quarry itself. The upper layers, also known as overburden, consist of soft, non-structural aggregate which will be scraped away to expose the ledges or benches of Indiana limestone that will be harvested. Blocks will then be cut from these ledges. Here, the sawing process is being prepared. The saws will cut what is known as production cuts, which is the primary phase of the quarrying process. The second step is when these ledges will be turned and broken into blocks, which are then readied for production. A diamond belt saw, 13 feet in length, is used to cut into the ledge. Running on cables, the saws will typically space the cuts at 4 feet to 4 feet 6 inches apart and are typically 54 feet in length. Here we have the second portion of the quarrying process known as extraction. We take the production cuts that we just showed you and we begin to turn those cuts down on their side. These cuts are approximately 50 feet long and 12 to 14 feet tall. A stone marker will lay off the cuts and break line. They will drill holes along this break line and split the larger wall into smaller manageable blocks which are fitted for our production facility. These blocks are then taken to the mill where they will be cut into slabs. Each cut averages about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the block is slabbed, the outer slab, or rough back, is removed. The slabs are then sorted by size, color, and thickness in preparation for shipment to fabrication shops. The fabricators will then plane the slabs down according to the architectural specification and design for proper thickness. Using computer numeric controlled or CNC machines, the stone is then cut and shaped to the specific sizes and dimensions required for the project. This particular piece is being shaped and cut with a router bit. Additional cutting and detailing will take place as per the specification of that project. Once the piece is completed, additional hand detailing may be required to clean it, trim it, and provide any additional carving that may be required. Here we see panels that have been fabricated in preparation to be shipped to the job site and installed. Once the backup wall has been prepared with a vapor barrier and external insulation, the masons will set the stone, creating a 1-inch air cavity using a string line to ensure coursing is level and straight. Wall ties are attached at 16-inch intervals horizontally and 24-inch intervals vertically. The mason prepares a full bed of mortar on the previous course in preparation for the next course while maintaining proper joint thicknesses. The mason will then strike each joint. This process will continue until the facade is completed. The completed wall anatomy will consist of the air barriers, external insulation, air cavities, flashing at openings, relief angles at floor slabs, horizontal expansion joints, vertical control joints where necessary, and weep holes at base course. Once completed, nothing compares to the aesthetics, durability, low maintenance, sustainability, historical significance, and elegance of natural stone.